Hello, this is Haneen, the Accountability Officer in Intersos Jordan. In this video, I will show you how to access and use the complaints mechanism platform to add and process new complaints or feedback received. As we see here, we have three types of authorized access to the complaints platform, which are the data entry, the platform manager, and the escalation manager. Please keep in mind that the data entry and the escalation manager accounts are added and managed by the platform manager. In this video, I'll explore each one and we will see what kind of actions performed by each in details. Firstly, let's explore the data entry account because it is the simple one. I'll click on this button, Access as Data Entry. I have to sign in with Google. And now I have to select an email that was added by the platform manager and that has an access as data entry. This one, Intersos data entry, I will select this one because it was added by me as a platform manager. So as we see here in this page, we have a simple content. The data entry can only add new cases and explore the cases or the data entered and saved by him. Now to add a new complaint or feedback, we click on this button. And as we see here on this page, we have some optional and mandatory fields that we can fill. After we enter all the necessary data, we click on Submit. Later on, when I explore the Platform Manager account, I will demonstrate to you how to add a new case and the kind of information needed to be filled in details. Now, I will go back to the home page and I will access as Platform Manager to see what is the difference between the two pages or the features. And again, sign in with Google. Now I select this email. This is my email and I am a platform manager. So I have an access to the platform. As shown here, the platform manager can do several actions. For example, I can explore the complaint list. I can also add new cases. For example, these are the data entry accounts and the escalation manager account. I can add new accounts or remove existing ones. I can also edit governors or places of interventions. And here listed the databases. We have two databases. We have 42 Jordan, the new one that I work on, and I have 42 Jordan old one. So first of all, let me show you how to add a new case. I click on complaints list. Then in this page, as we see, we have some interesting features. One of them is to add the new cases. Another one interesting is the complaints report. We have a pie chart. We have some interesting graphs that summarize and analyze the data entered last 12 weeks, for example. And here we have the list of all the entered cases, either by data entries or the platform manager. To add a new case, we click here. And as we see here, it is the same page appeared to us when we explored the data entry account. And now, all these are important information and important data. So we have some optional and some mandatory fields marked with star. And all these are related to the complaint or the complainant. So I will show you an example. For example, here Jordan, the governorate is Amman, the name of complaint or fit provider is Amira Youssef, and the address is Aman Sweleh. The ID number, I will show you an example. And please notice that all this information do not belong to anyone. I'm just using them as an example. Okay, 16513C 5 zeros. The phone number 079 and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here we select gender, female, then age, 33. The feedback type, for example, I will select feedback. And here we have to define by whom this form or this, for example, feedback was provided or submitted. I will select the complainant or the feed provider, him or herself. Then reporting mechanism, we have a different reporting mechanism. For example, I will select hotline, then the complaint category, and as you know, we have 7 categories as per SOPs. We have requests for either assistance or information or dissatisfaction, and we have 6 or 7, which are the breach code of conduct or the SCA or child abuse. Now I will select request for assistance, then the date of receiving this complaint is 25, and here in this box I can write a description for this case. For example, the caller is vulnerable head of household woman who needs financial assistance. Then, for example, I can write some information, more information. She has 5 children. Then we select this